Hello students, I am your English teacher Leyla Serikova. Welcome to our lesson. Students, look at the picture and find the answers for this definition. A period of the year characterized by particular conditions of weather, temperature and daylight hours. This word has 6 letters and the first one is S. Yes, the correct answer is season. How do you spell this word? S E A S O N. Season. Look at the arrow and name the season. Spring. Summer. Autumn. Autumn. Winter. Now, look at 2 pictures, A and B. Read the text and match it with the correct picture. And explain your answer. It's warm because the sun is shining today. The sky is clear and blue. The trees are getting new leaves now. The flowers are blooming. The birds are singing on the tree branch right now. The bees are flying from one flower to another in search of honey. The text is about the picture B, because we can see a blue sky, some birds on the tree branches, and flying bees. What season is it? Yes, it's spring. Read the text again and find the verbs in the present continuous. Students, I have found 5 verbs in present continuous. Is shining, are getting, are blooming, are singing, are flying. Now, answer the questions. Now, let's answer the questions together. When is the action happening in the sentences with the present continuous? We use the present continuous to talk about actions that are happening now. How do we form the present continuous? Be, am, is, are forms plus verb plus ing. What time phrases do we use in the present continuous? Time phrases to use in the present continuous are now, at the moment, today. Now, let's read the sentences in positive and negative present continuous tense and fill in the gaps. I am doing the washing up. I am not doing the washing up. You, we, they are cleaning the windows. You're, we're, they're cleaning the windows. You, we, they aren't cleaning the windows. You aren't, we aren't, they aren't cleaning the windows. He, she's sweeping the floor. He's sweeping. She's sweeping. He, she isn't sweeping the floor. He isn't sweeping. She isn't sweeping. Now, questions with present continuous. Am I working? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Are you, are we, are they working? Yes, you are. Yes, we are. Yes, they are. No, you aren't. No, we aren't. No, they aren't. Is he? Is she? Is it working? Yes, he is. Yes, she is. Yes, it is. No, he isn't. No, she isn't. No, it isn't. These are yes-no questions with present continuous. We can also use WH questions. Repeat after me. What is he doing? What is he doing? Why are they going upstairs? Why are they going upstairs? Who are they waiting for? Who are they waiting for? How are they traveling? How are they traveling? How many students are taking an exam now? How many students are taking an exam now? Now, let's remember the rules again. We use the present continuous to talk about actions that are happening now. The form of the present continuous, the verb be, forms am, is, are, plus verb with ing. Time phrases to use the present continuous are now, at the moment, today. Now, students, let's talk about spelling rules with ing. Most verbs plus ing. The verbs ending in e omit e and plus ing. With verbs ending in one vowel, one consonant, with double consonant and plus ing. For example, watch, watching, read, reading, make, making, write, writing, put, putting, run, running. Now, students, look at the verbs in the text and put them in the correct group. Let's check together your answers. Shine, shining. Get, getting. Bloom, blooming. Sing, singing. Fly, flying. Now, listen and repeat. N, 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 n. Listen and repeat the verbs with ing forms. Watching, reading, blooming, singing, flying, making, writing, shining, putting, running, getting. Now students, look at the pictures and infinitives. Make up ing forms of the verbs. Go, going. Get, getting. Swim, swimming. Smile, smiling. Visit, visiting. Climb, climbing. Eat, eating. Drive, driving. Win, winning. Write, writing. Put, putting. Give, given. Now, complete the gaps using the present continuous. A. Bucket not ride his motorbike now. Bucket isn't riding his motorbike now. B. Gul Jamal bake a cake. It's her first time. Gul Jamal's baking a cake. C. Kaneke and Perizat not cook the food. They surf the internet. The correct answer: Kaneke and Perizat aren't cooking the food. They're surfing the internet. Now students, let's play a game. The name of the game is Hidden Picture Game. You are going to see a picture that is hidden. The picture will be open with parts by parts. You need to answer the question and guess the action in the picture using present continuous. Let's start. Now, students, let's practice the questions. For example, why you leave early today? Use present continuous in this question. Why are you leaving early today? Number 2. It rained in Batken today. Number 3. Bolot work right now. Number 4. What Mariana and Oksana do at the moment. Number 5. Where she go now? Now, students, let's check your questions. Number 2. Is it raining in Batken today? Number 3. Is Bolot working right now? Number 4. What are Mariana and Oksana doing at the moment? Number 5. Where is she going now? Okay, students, now you have 5 questions. Match the questions with their answers. Let's check together. Number 1. Why are you leaving early today? Answer is D. Because I have to help my mother with her cooking. Number 2. Is it raining in Batken today? The answer is E. Yes, it is. Number 3. Is Bolot working right now? B. No, he isn't. Question number 4. What are Mariana and Oksana doing at the moment? C. They are watering the plants. Number 5. Where is she going now? A. She is going to the gym. Now, students, there are 4 sentences on the screen. Find out 2 correct sentences and 2 incorrect sentences. Correct, wrong sentences. Now, students, let's check together. Does she collecting mushrooms now? This is incorrect. In the present continuous tense, we do not use auxiliary verb does. So, the correct question is she collecting mushrooms now? Question B. Are they cleaning the windows? This is the correct question. C. Why are you smiling? This question is correct. D. What is he doing every day? This is an incorrect question. When we talk about action happening every day, we use present simple. So, the correct question is, what does she do every day? Well done! That's all for today. Thank you for your participation. Goodbye.